Hi everyone, we are studying from class 10 chapter 3 pair of linear equations in two variables exercise 3.5 question 4. Form the pair of linear equations in the following problems and find their solutions by any algebraic method. Already I have given the introduction part of this and when we did the first part of this sum. So in this video we are going to see the third part of the sum because we have already done the second part of it. So this video we are going to see the third part of the sum. So let us try to understand. Yash scored 40 marks in a test, getting 3 marks for each right answer and losing 1 mark for each wrong answers. Had 4 marks been awarded for each correct answers and 2 marks been deducted for each incorrect answers, then Yash would have scored 50 marks. How many questions were there in the test? So the question is, Yash has attempted some marks. We don't know the total number of questions, but he got 40 marks, total 40 marks he got when the condition was if the one answer, if it was correct, then he would get 3 marks, and if the answer is wrong, then he will lose 1 mark. So for every wrong answer he would lose 1 mark, and for every correct answer he will get 3 marks. So in that condition he gets total 40 marks. If it would have been another way, if for every correct answer he gets 4 marks and for every wrong answer 2 marks are deducted, then his score becomes 50 marks. So the question is, how many questions were there in the test? So we have to find out total number of questions that were given in the test. So let's prepare the equation out of it. First let the number of correct answers be x. We don't know how many questions were correct he answered. So let the number of correct answers be x and let the number of incorrect answers be y. And then correct answer plus incorrect answer becomes the total questions. So the total number of questions be x plus y, because x plus y, why we have taken? Because number of correct answers plus the number of incorrect answers that he writes. So total, it becomes all the total questions. Now let's prepare the equations, how to form the equations. So Yash scores 40 marks when for each correct answer he gets 3 marks and each wrong answer he loses 1 mark. In that condition he gets 40 marks. So that means for each correct answer, so correct answer is x, so each correct answer means 3x. So for each correct answer he gets 3 marks, and for wrong answer, so wrong answer means we have to deduct only. For every wrong answer, incorrect answer, he loses 1 mark. So he loses means subtraction, loses 1 mark for incorrect answer. So if you write 1 or you don't write also is okay for incorrect answer. So for incorrect answer 1 mark he loses. For correct answer he gets 3 marks. That means 3x minus y. So total he scores 40. So this becomes our equation 1. So next, another condition is for every correct answer, he gets 4 marks. So for every correct answer 4 marks, and for every incorrect answer, he loses 2 marks. So that means 2y. So 4x minus 2y. So then total score he gets 50. So this is our equations. Now let's simplify this. In your textbook it is simplified, that's why I am simplifying. Otherwise you can use any method and find out the solution. Why we are simplifying? So that we get the y coefficient same, then we can use the elimination method. If you don't want to simplify directly, you want to use, then you can use substitution method or elimination method. If you have to use, then you have to change the such a way the equation that you get the any one of the variable coefficients same. Otherwise use the cross multiplication method. if you are confident. So here we are simplifying the second equation in order to use the elimination method, because if you see, these are multiples of 2, so this can be divided by 2, this also can be divided by 2, this also can be divided by 2, or you have another way of removing it in common, that also is fine. When you remove it common, it gets cancelled. Either of that way you can do. For those of you do not know, I am showing you. I'm going to divide this, divide the this equation to divide the equation 2 by 2. So that means 4x minus 2y 50. If you are dividing by 2, all 2 times 4, 2 gets cancelled. So 2 times 4, 1 time 5 times 10. So we will get here 2x minus y equal to 25. So this becomes our no need to give, okay, if you are giving number, this becomes equation 3. There is no problem in giving number, provided you solve the questions properly. So now this becomes our new equations. So now if you see, equation 1, coefficient of y is same, and equation 3 also coefficient of y is same. So now we can use elimination method so that y gets cancelled. If you don't want to simplify, then you can go for any of the method and find out the answer. Okay, so by elimination method, so subtract equation 3 from equation 1. So equation 3 we are subtracting from 1. So that means you have to write down 1 first. Y equal to 40. Equation 3 is 2x minus y equal to 25. Now both are same sign, so we will change the sign in order to eliminate. This becomes minus, this becomes plus, this becomes minus. So now this gets eliminated. So from 3x you minus 2x, you will get x. And from 40 you minus 25, you will get 5 here. And 3 minus 2, you will get 1. So x value we already found out, x equal to 15. So put this value, put x equal to 15 in equation, any equation you can put, either 1 or 3. In equation 3 I'll put it here. So equation 3 is 2x minus y equal to 25. So 2x value we found out, 15 minus y equal to 25. So let's multiply 0, 1, 2, 1s are 2, 1, 3. 30 minus y equal to 25. So we'll keep minus y here only. And this plus 30, when it comes this side, becomes minus 30. So minus y equal to 5 we will get, because when you subtract from 30, 25, biggest number is minus, so this also becomes minus. So when you both the side minus, we can cancel it, then we'll get y equal to 5. So now we have x value, we have y value. But in our question, what they are asking us, how many correct answer, how many wrong answer, they are not asking us. They are asking us to find out how many questions were there in the test. That means total number of questions. So therefore x plus y, total number of questions were, x is 15, y is 5. So total number of questions are 20. Hence the total number of questions were 20. This is our answer. Thank you. God